Alright, boys and girls, we're out here with one of my favorites, or in here, should I say, the JJRC H20H. This is one of the best flying hexacopters that you can get. This thing is just freaking awesome. The review I did on it, I did it outside. It flies great outside too. This is not just your indoor flyer. If you saw that review, it says a real nice, has a decent range, and it flies great outside too. So you don't just have to fly this thing indoors, you can fly it outside. But it's awesome. Go get one. It's a real classic. It's got the down and to the right, you know, for the calibration. So it's just, most of them have that do it that way. Okay, I'll put it in the third rate. Look at that thing. That's your orientation now, is the red light is the back. And the blue light is in the front. When you hit the flip button, you have to push the transmitter. You have to push the stick which way you want it to flip. It doesn't just flip. Some of them do it, you just press the button and it'll flip. Some of them you have to actually press the or push the stick in the direction you want it to flip, you know. Those are the ones that flip in all directions. Some of them will just flip one direction, and in those kind you just hit the button and it'll just flip, you know. It all depends on what kind it is. Look how fast that thing is, man. This thing is just fucking awesome. Get off the ceiling, boy. Look how fast the yaw is on that thing. It's just, it really freaks me out. You know I'm gonna crash if I keep doing this shit like this. Whoa. See, I was getting there. I was wanting to crash. Oh, that's the return to home too. You press the right stick. Let me get it up in the air a little bit. Let me get it away from the blinds before I crash. No crashing, please. Okay, you just press down on the right stick. Well, it just started doing it a minute ago. There, yeah. You press down on the right stick, and it'll comes back. It comes back to China. Okay, That's where it's going, okay? I think the battery died. And it did, but so what? Oh, it's a beauty. The JJRC H20H. I guess the battery must not have been fully charged because usually it flies a little bit longer than that. Usually goes for like 4 minutes or something like that. But I'll see what the flight time was for this one, but it's still fun for them couple minutes. It's one of the best, brothers. It's one of the best. Don't miss out. Don't miss out on this beauty. Go get it. All right, guys. Have a nice day.